The Fiat Topolino one-offs created as a tribute to the 100th Disney anniversary are now displayed along the north ramp of the Lingotto shopping center. The special versions of the electric quadricycle will be on display on the helical structure, as part of an initiative carried out with the Pinacoteca Agnelli. Fiat has created 5 versions Topolino dedicated to the iconic Disney character. One of these was conceived through the special collaboration with the Disney artist Giorgio Cavazzano, and the other 4 designed by Centro Stile Fiat and inspired by Disney creatives. It revolving around 4 themes: historical, modern, street, and abstracts. The works are the protagonists of an itinerary that involves the Lingotto shopping center, offering visitors the opportunity to immerse themselves in the world of one-off Fiat Topolinos, and then conclude the journey with Casa 500 and La Pista 500.